Have you ever found yourself in a group chat on Instagram that you didn't want to be added to? With the help of an interesting feature, you can easily control who has the right to add you to group conversations. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up this function and protect your privacy on Instagram. Stay with me and find out all the details. So here's what you need to do. First, open your Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're in the app, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you're on your profile page, the next step is to tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the settings. Once you're on your Instagram account settings page, scroll down and find the option called Messages and Story Replies, and tap on it to open it. After opening this option, select Message Requests in this section. Once you've done that, you'll now see several options in this part. Look for and tap on the option called Who can add you to group chats. Finally, just select one of the 2 available options, everyone on Instagram or only people you follow on Instagram. Once you've chosen your preferred option, your settings will be saved automatically. This way, you can easily restrict who has the right to add you to group chats. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and successfully adjusted who can add you to group chats. Like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.